Sparkle Motion Stick plus Enclosure kit. It is a beast for doing WLED projects as simple as possible. Has a USB-A plug, terminal blocks on the end for screwing in a couple of NeoPixel strands. There's an ESP32 classic mini module, button on it for general I/O stuff. Has an IPS microphone built on so you can do sound reactive projects. Infrared receiver on it so you can use one of these little inexpensive IR remotes. And you can see that'll light up there. So watch it when I stop talking. And then as I talk, you can see it's doing a little sound reactive thing. Pick a different pattern there on this little guy. Product pick of the week this week. It is the Sparkle Motion Stick with USB Enclosure kit.